Things I've learned. Don't scratch your nose with a spoon and never argue with the murdering murderer while she's making your drink. Do explain. Well, sees, the spoon, it hurts when you slip a D poke your eye, K? And your murdering murderer? Also, it makes the bartender mad. Murdering or sticking your spoon in your eye? The spoon thing. Who's murdering who? I don't know. You started it. I didn't say nurseries. The murder was in a nursery? Murdering or nurseries? Question mark, question mark. Ah, head, pain, so confused. Stop, make it stop. Did they fight back? Are you defending the children or attacking? You are mean. I'm not the one murdering children, Blizzard. When did I start murdering kids? I don't know, but I think you are confessing right now. I don't want to kill babies. Nobody wants that. But why are they murdered? If you're ready to answer that, I'm listening. But I don't know. You're the one who said murderer first. Not true. You said never to argue with the murdering murderer. Wow. Never argue with T Junior bartender while she's making your drink. Is the bartender the murderer? No mutters. LOL. Shh! No laughing. Why not? Because. Because the truth is out there? No. Because you'll wake up Megan. Maybe I want her awake to witness the killing spree. No! Someone must witness it so justice can be served. No, no one is dying except for maybe you. Okay? Wait, no, don't die. No killing. My head hurts.